Funny thing about rituals, love, we do them so long we forget why we started. 5 bolts every night, without fail, like a prayer made of metal. But here on Deranged Lane, prayers don't always reach heaven, and locks, well, they don't just keep things out, they keep what's left in. So before you close your eyes tonight, you might want to check your door, because once the last bolt slips, he remembers. Welcome, love, to Deranged Lane. This is 5 Deadbolts.
5 locks. Every night. In the same order. For as long as he could remember. He never knew why. Until the night he forgot one. Daniel didn't believe in superstition. Didn't believe in ghosts. Didn't believe in anything. Except the locks. Flashback. Childhood home. A little boy locks 5 bolts. His mother, pale, frantic, kneels next to him, whispering desperately.
5 bolts, always 5. If one stays open, he finds us. He remembers the sound of our blood.
Daniel's eyes snap open. Something is wrong. He walks groggily to the door. He looks at the locks, freezes. 4. There were only 4. 1 bolt dangles, unlocked. His breath catches in his throat. The lights flicker, then die. Total blackness. Scraping, then dragging, then breathing from just outside the door.
Danny, open up. It's your father.
Daniel stumbles back in horror. The voice is familiar, but wrong. Danny remembers a hazy image of a man screaming on a party bus, blood pouring from his mouth. His mother slamming the bolts shut.
He's not your father anymore. He died on that bus. But he didn't stay dead.
Daniel rushes to bolt the 5th lock. It clicks into place. The voice from outside is now inside.
Too late. You left me 1 breath, and that's all I needed.
The flashlight beam trembles. Daniel turns slowly. His bedroom door is wide open. A figure stands in the shadows. His father's twisted smile visible through torn skin. His eyes glow faint red.
You always were too curious, son. Now open the door. Let's finish what Guta Ray started.
Daniel screams. The next morning, the door is locked from the inside. 5 bolts. No Daniel. No forced entry. No signs of a break-in. Only one new thing remained. A blood smear. Across bolt number 5. As if someone had been scratching from the inside. 1 week later, same house. Daniel's mother, now older and hollow-eyed, walks slowly past the bolted door. She runs her fingers across the 5 locks. They're stained. A faint smear of dried blood marks the 5th bolt. She never unlocked it. Not after what happened to Daniel. But he came anyway. Just like his father. The house is silent. Then, knock, knock, knock. A voice whispers through the wood.
Ma, it's okay. He showed me the truth. The world lies to us. But he never left us. Open the door, Mohan. Please. He misses you too. Please. I love you, Mom. Open the door. Open the jam door.
No, go away. you're not my son anymore.
Flashback. The night he changed. Young Daniel hides under the bed. His mother is screaming. The hallway is red with emergency lights. Outside the window, his father is watching. Pale, infected, but still wearing his wedding ring.
You're not him. You're not him.
Present night. She sits by the door with a shotgun across her lap. She hasn't slept, but every night, same time, same voice. Sometimes it's Daniel. Sometimes it's her husband. Sometimes both. She drifts off, dreams of the party bus, blood-soaked poles, laughing faces rotting as they sway to music. Then she's dancing with her husband. He's warm, alive.
The door's always been open. You just forgot how to see it.
She jolts upright. All 5 locks are still in place, but there's breathing on the other side.
Please, I don't want to be alone anymore. It's cold out here.
Daniel, you're not my son anymore.
I am your son. He made me deader, and he's waiting for you too. But, please, I'm cold. I'm scared. You always said I would be your baby. Why won't you let me come home?
Because you're not my baby anymore. You haven't been since that.
That night wasn't my fault.
You killed them, Daniel.
They were mean to me.
I know what you are now. I raised it. I loved it. For every luck I've placed, every night I've prayed. It wasn't to keep the evil out, Daniel. It was to keep the evil in.
Then I'll keep knocking until one day you forget.
The next night, a quiet street. The house stands still. Inside, the mother turns all 5 locks, hands shaking, then slides a 6th bolt across the top. She backs away. Outside, no one. Not Daniel, not her husband. But from behind the door, faint scratching and a voice.
1 lock, 2 lock, 3 lock, more. Keep them tight, or I'll be at your door.
Some doors were made to keep evil out, but this one holds back the people you love. And once they stop being people, because once you break the ritual, you don't just invite evil in, you start letting it grow a key of its own.
Ron, please, I don't want to be alone anymore. Let me in. Please, I'm your only son. 1 lock, 2 lock, 3 lock, more. Keep them tight, or I'll be at your door.